The Boeing MQ-28 Ghost Bat, Australia's leap into collaborative combat aviation. In an era where air dominance hinges on flexibility, affordability, and autonomy, the Boeing MQ-28 Ghost Bat emerges as a trailblazer in unmanned collaborative combat aircraft. Conceived and built in Australia after a 50-year hiatus from combat aircraft design, the Ghost Bat embodies the loyal wingman concept, operating alongside manned fighters to extend sensor reach, absorb risk, and deliver mass at a fraction of the cost. The Ghost Bat's story began in 2017 under the Air Power Teaming System banner, a joint initiative between Boeing Australia and the Royal Australian Air Force, RAAF. Officially unveiled at Avalon in February 2019, it marked the first domestically designed combat aircraft since the 1960s. Within 2 years, a full-scale prototype was rolling out of Boeing's Fisherman's Bend facility. By February 27, 2021, the Ghost Bat had flown its maiden sortie at RAAF Woomera, validating avionics, handling, and systems redundancy in record time. Australia's industrial base underpins the Ghost Bat program. Over 70 local suppliers by 2025, including BAE Systems Australia and Marin Precision Engineering. Digital engineering and design-for-cost philosophies, leveraging digital twins to cut test cycles. Resin-infused, single-piece composite wing, Boeing's largest to date, assembled without autoclaves. Shimless, robotic assembly and pre-drilled sub-assemblies reducing labor, risk, and rework. A dedicated 9,000 square meters production campus under construction at Wellcamp Aerospace and Defence Precinct. More than 70% of expenditure stays within Australia, revitalizing aerospace skills and ensuring sovereign resilience. By mid-2025, 8 Block 1 test airframes had flown over 150 hours live and 20,000 hours simulated, achieving fully autonomous taxi, takeoff, cruise, and landing. Reliable wide-area data links and in-flight mission retasking. Coordinated operations with manned fighters and other drones. Rapid deployment drills, unpacking from AC-17 to airborne readiness in under 24 hours. Core to these achievements is the AI-driven vehicle management system, enabling mission-level autonomy that shifts the operator's role from joystick pilot to mission commander. The Ghost Bat's open architecture design centers on its swappable mission nose, enabling rapid role changes without special tooling. Operational payloads include intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, SAR, EO/IR, ELINT. Electronic warfare suites for jamming and deception. Communications relay nodes for contested environment mesh networking. Future air-to-air and precision strike munitions in an internal bay. Block 1 proved the baseline platform. Block 2, due late 2025, will introduce enhanced survivability, enlarged composite wings, GPS/INS hardening, and live-fire integration with AIM-120 and AIM-9 missiles. For Australia, the Ghost Bat restores domestic combat aircraft expertise, underpins AUKUS Pillar 2, and cements the RAAF's vision of an integrated, networked force. For Boeing, it validates a new collaborative combat aircraft business model, driven by digital engineering, global partnerships, and attritable affordability in a projected $27 billion market. Allied air forces are closely watching trials, particularly the June 2025 teaming demonstration aboard an E-7A Wedgetail, where a single operator orchestrated 2 Ghost Bats and a digital surrogate in real time. Such milestones position the MQ-28 as an exportable blueprint for multinational co-development and coalition operations. As live-fire tests loom in early 2026, the Ghost Bat gears up for initial operational capability with the RAAF. Upcoming manned-unmanned integration with F-35A and F-18F will refine tactics for escort, strike, and electronic shield missions. Beyond Australia, US Navy, USAF, UK, and European programs are evaluating the platform as a rapid entry into next-generation unmanned teaming. The MQ-28 Ghost Bat isn't just another drone, it heralds a new paradigm in air combat. By marrying advanced autonomy, modular payloads, and cost-effective mass production, it redefines the frontline calculus, human crews safeguarded, attritable platforms ready to swarm, and allied forces united by open architecture collaboration. As the Ghost Bat takes flight, it charts a course for 21st-century air power, intelligent, affordable, and indelibly connected across the battle space.